If you need to reset your password for MCB Bank Switzerland, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the MCB Bank website. Go to the official MCB Bank Switzerland website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Navigate to the login page. Locate the login section on the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page where you can find the password reset option. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SOC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions in your email. Check your email for a password reset link from MCB Bank. Click on the link and follow the instructions provided to create a new password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.